1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you do it. It's lift tour time, and now to the first lift, which is a stupid stanner.
Doors closing. Lift going down.
And now we go along to the next lift, which has sadly been modernised. This hostel opened in the 80s, but buildings don't really look at all 80s, they look a lot newer, which is quite weird. Sadly, the next lift's been modernised. The only interesting thing about it is the voice, which is an early example of a lift voice. This voice was used a lot in the late 80s by Mitsubishi, Fujitec and Schindler, but into the 90s and early 2000s, these voice units then became mass produced and were used on a lot of generics.
Doors closing. Lift going down. Exit floor. Doors opening.
And now we go along to the next lift, which is a stupid generic. Essex Lift Services. Right, that's all you need to know really about this particular generic lift company.
Going up. Door closing. Floor 1. Doors opening.
And now we go along to the next lift, which is pretty much the same as the last one. It's got a different voice.
Doors closing.
And now we go along to the next lift, which is in an additional lift shaft built on the outside of the hospital, so the lift can go up to the second floor, which are some staff-only offices. Sadly, the second floor is locked off. This is a generic MRL and is rather crap.
Lift going up.
So then, let's walk up the stairs to the second floor. And is this an office? Oh well. And now we go along to the next lift, which is a cheap version of a Gen 2 branded as Express Evans. This lift's rather eye-socky. The colour of the lights inside are rather wind and contrasts the colour of the lighting in the hostels. Sadly, the camera colour corrects and doesn't really bring it out that well. It's just the colour of the lighting in this lift is quite odd. Now we go along to the next lift.
Doors closing. Lift going up. First floor. Doors opening.
And now, this hostel's rather disappointing. I was hoping for better, really. Oh well, anyway, going outside this hostel and along to the local library, which has a really nice 70s generic. It has been modernised, but it still has its original buttons. Yes! Let's ride it!
Loading. ground floor. Door open. Door closing. Door 1. Door open. Door closing.